make a Chainage using QGIS with the very simple and useful tool inbuilt in the QGIS. First we open the QGIS, then we load our line layer. Go to your folder of line, whichever you want to make a Chainage for. It's like a road or a pipeline or any other network which having the line features. For this case we will create the Chainage for the road. So just load your geo package layer or the shapefile layer which having the line string value. Go to open data source manager. In the vector, because the road feature having the format, it's kind of a vector. In this here source dataset, go to the select and give your path, then open add. So you see this the Chainage for road is added. For this file we have set the coordinates to EPSG 32644. It is a UTM 32644 coordinate. That means we can measure our length in the meters. For more information I also added the background layer which is the Google satellite, so we will see which road Chainage we are going to mark. So this line is not visible. Okay, go to the styling panel for visibility. I'm currently changing the color of the line. Okay, now it's visible, and increase the little bit thickness. Okay, now good. So we have some work to start from this point to the endpoint is for we need to mark a Chainage, so it can be used to measure with the equal distance or the some intervals road, which can helpful to measure the work. So go to the processing toolbox, which is this gear kind of icon here. Click here. In search, write points along geometry. Here in the vector geometry you will see the point along geometry tool. Just double click on the tool. In the input layer select our Chainage layer, this is a road. Then it will defaultly select because only the one vector is here, and give the distance. You can make a Chainage up to any distance, but default we will mark a Chainage of 20 meters. In here you can see you can select the units from meters, kilometers, feet, yards, or even inches, meters, whatever. So for this case we will select the meters. Start offset, we will in this case we make mark Chainage from the right point, starting point, so we will not have any offset. If you want to start the Chainage from a particular distance from the start point, like after 5 meters or 10 meters from the start point, you can add offset value here, or same vice versa from the end offset. And this we will create a temporal and we will save our interpolated points. So save to the file and give the name as Chainage underscore 20 meters and click save. Okay, and click run. It will run, and after this completion you will see there are some points in the background on the line of this red line. This is not visible. I will from the go again to the styling and change the color of points to any color that can visible. Yeah, this is now can the point is visible. So this, if you see, these have the chainage. Go click on the right, click on the layer, right click on the layer and go to the attribute table. You will see the distance here and the angle of that point, which is start from feature ID 1. This is 0 distance because we don't use the offset here, so it's start from 0, 20, 40. This shows the chainage point in the meters, so it will go up to the 3260 meter, because that means the line that we have inserted having the length of 3260 meters, that is around 3.2 kilometers. Okay, so we have marked the chainage from start point from here and up to the end point here. So how to see this? Go to the point feature and the label, click on the labels to the single label and select the value from FID, its feature ID, to the distance. The distance will be appear here. Go to the color. For we having the background layer of the Google satellite, we'll just turn off right now, and you can see the values of the chainage. Just make sure the proper length is there. Okay, proper size of the font that you can select. Just increase the size and go to the formatting tab and get down. Use format number up to the 2 decimals. That means you can measure the meters with the 2 decimals and show plus sign, so it will see where their 20 meter interval is added. It's kind of 20, 40, 60, 80. See, with the help of very simple QGIS processing tool, you can mark the chainage. If you want to see on the Google satellite layer, click on the point might be not visible. Go to again layer styling and change color to white, so it is now visible, the chainage. This can be easily make using the by default processing tool called points along geometry. Now if you want to create if you see, we have created the points with the 20 meter channel interval, so the end point is not created because it is not within the 20 meter distance. So go again to the road, right click, go to the attribute table and use the field calculator. If you don't use this, it's very another simple that's tool is vertices, the extract the vertices. Select the input layer, then the vertices is there. We are not saving currently this layer, we just want to show you how to use this, and click on the run. So now it will extract. You can see there is a one point created on the end and even on the first point. If I off this chainage point, you can see this point. This tool is used to extract the line vertices. It extract the starting and end point and where their line get deflected with the angle, so it will also extract the points, means the vertices of this current line.